Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. This morning practice is designed to help you connect with your inner light and set a positive intention for the day ahead. Whether you're starting your day or taking a midday reset, this meditation will help you feel more centered, energized, and purposeful. Find a comfortable seated position where your spine can be naturally upright but not rigid. Let's begin by taking 3 deep, awakening breaths together. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale fully through your mouth, releasing any grogginess or heaviness from sleep. Take another deep breath in, imagining you're breathing in fresh morning air. And exhale, letting go of any lingering worries from yesterday or about the day ahead. One more nourishing breath in, drawing energy and vitality into every cell of your body. And breathe out, creating space for new possibilities. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Notice how you feel right now in this moment. Perhaps there's a sense of awakening happening in your body and mind. You don't need to change anything. Simply observe with gentle curiosity. Bring your attention to the area around your heart. Imagine there's a warm, golden light beginning to glow softly in your chest. This light represents your inner wisdom, your authentic self, and your natural capacity for joy. With each breath in, this light grows a little brighter. With each breath out, it expands a little further. This golden light is always within you, though sometimes it gets covered by the busyness of daily life. Right now, you're simply uncovering what was always there. Feel this warm light spreading from your heart throughout your entire body. It moves up into your shoulders and arms, bringing with it a sense of strength and capability. The light flows down into your abdomen, filling you with confidence and inner stability. It travels down through your legs, grounding you and connecting you to your sense of purpose. This radiant energy fills you from head to toe, awakening every part of you for the day ahead. Now think about the day that lies before you. Without getting caught up in the details of your to-do list, simply hold the feeling of moving through your day with this inner light as your guide. What would it feel like to approach your daily activities with this sense of presence and purpose? Consider setting an intention for today. This doesn't have to be complicated or profound. It might be as simple as being more patient with yourself and others, or approaching challenges with curiosity rather than judgment. Or perhaps your intention is to notice moments of beauty throughout the day, or to speak with more kindness. Take a moment to let your intention arise naturally from this peaceful, centered place. Don't force it or overthink it. Trust that your heart knows what you need today. Once your intention feels clear, silently speak it to yourself. Now, imagine carrying this golden light and your heartfelt intention with you as you move through your day. See yourself handling whatever comes your way with grace and wisdom. You have everything you need within you. This light, this intention, this inner strength travels with you wherever you go. As we prepare to close this practice, take one more deep breath and feel the energy and clarity you've cultivated. This is not something you've created from nothing, but rather something you've remembered and awakened within yourself. Place one hand on your heart and feel grateful for this time you've given yourself. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a moment to stretch if that feels good. Slowly open your eyes and step into your day with intention, knowing that you carry this inner light with you always. Thank you for beginning your day with this practice. May your day unfold with ease and purpose.